Today, I'll show you how to validate a phone number in Twilio. Whether you're new to Twilio or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you verify phone numbers with ease and confidence. First, you'll want to head over to twilio.com. Once you're on the website, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed with validating phone numbers. Twilio is a powerful platform for communication, and having an account will give you access to all its great features. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a menu with various options. Click on the Develop section. This area is where you'll find all the tools you need for managing your communications projects. Twilio organizes its features neatly, making it easy to navigate. Next, you'll want to click on Phone Numbers. This will take you to a section where you can manage all aspects related to phone numbers, including buying new numbers, configuring them, and of course, verifying them. Once you're in the phone number section, look for the Manage option. Clicking here will give you a drop down with several choices. You'll want to select Verified Caller IDs. This is where you can manage the phone numbers you've verified or want to verify. Verifying caller IDs is crucial for ensuring that your communications are legitimate and secure. Now let's add a new caller ID. You should see an option to add a new caller ID. Click on it and a form will appear where you can enter the necessary details for the phone number you wish to verify. The first field you'll encounter is for selecting the country. It's important to choose the correct country for the phone number you're verifying, as this ensures that Twilio handles it properly according to regional regulations and formatting. After selecting the country, the next step is to enter the phone number itself. Make sure you type it in accurately, including the correct area codes. Any mistake here can lead to verification issues or delays. Once you have the phone number entered correctly, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to receive the verification code. Twilio offers several options for this, such as SMS or voice call. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. With everything set, it's time to verify the number. Click on Verify Number and Twilio will send the verification code via your chosen method. When you receive the code, enter it into the verification field on the website. This step confirms that you have access to the number and that it's ready to be used with your Twilio projects. And there you have it. You've successfully validated a phone number in Twilio. This process is straightforward, but it's a vital step to ensure your communications run smoothly and securely. If you ever need to verify another number, you can simply repeat these steps. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to check out our other guides on Twilio and more. Happy communicating.